Binance Wallet app. The pros, the cons. The Binance Wallet app is more than just a place to store your crypto. You won't believe what happens next. It now integrates seamlessly with Binance's trading DeFi and NIFT services, giving users a complete crypto ecosystem in one app. On the pros side, Binance Wallet offers excellent security features including two-factor authentication, biometric login, and private key encryption. It supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies and tokens, making it versatile for both casual holders and active traders. Users can also stake assets, access DeFi services, and participate in NIFT drops without leaving the app. The interface is modern and intuitive, allowing beginners to navigate smoothly while still offering advanced features for seasoned users. On the con side, Binance Wallet can be overwhelming for newcomers due to the sheer number of features and options. Fees for certain services, especially withdrawals or cross-chain transfers, can be higher than some competitors. Some users may also find the KYC verification process lengthy if they want full access to all features. In conclusion, the Binance Wallet app is a powerhouse for anyone looking to integrate storage, trading, staking, and NIFT management in a single platform. While it may feel complex at first and fees can vary, its security, versatility, and all-in-one ecosystem make it one of the most robust crypto wallets available today.